Welcome to Let's Build Willys Jeep. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install your petcock valves into your radiator to drain your radiator fluid out of your radiator, and also how to install your petcock valve on your engine block to drain the radiator fluid out of your engine block. First, you're going to install your petcock valve onto your radiator and just threads onto the bottom tube coming out of your radiator, and we'll just apply a little bit of thread sealant on your petcock valve so it does not leak. And all you do is apply a little bit to it, spread it around. Once you get a good coating of thread sealant on your petcock valve, we will now thread it into the bottom of our radiator. And now we'll just get a wrench and hand tight so it's fairly snug. On your petcock valve, you want to make sure you have a good amount of thread sealant coming out of the threads. You know that it is going to seal properly. Apply the same step as your radiator. Just put your thread sealant on your petcock. Once you have applied your thread sealant to your petcock, now we will insert it into our engine block and just hand tighten it. Tighten your petcock valve until it is snug against your engine block, and make sure you have thread sealant coming out through the threads. You know it's going to be a good seal, and that's how you install your petcock valves and seal it up on your engine block and your radiator. Thanks for watching and subscribe.